Now we will discuss test series 3, question number 14. So one more question. So the topic asked is measurements. So here we are given with a bridge circuit. So I am drawing the bridge circuit. So I have a resistor. So this is my bridge circuit. So where this is my galvanometer, and I have a capacitor here. This is connected to a voltage source of 10 kilohertz. So this is variable R2, CX, RX are unknown, C3 and C1, R1, where C1 is variable. So here the balance condition is we are asked to find the value of Cx is dash. So we know under balance condition so the impedance will be the same, Zx, Zx, Z1, Zx equal to Z2, Z3. So here this I am noting it as Zx, this is Z2, Z3, and the overall I am representing as Z1. So here Z1 is parallel combination of R1 and XC1, which is nothing but R1 by 1 plus j omega R1 C1, and Z2 is R2 ohms, Zx is to be found out, and Z3 is 1 by j omega x3. So here if I substitute those in equation 1, so what I get is R1 by 1 plus j omega R1 C1 times Zx is equal to R2 by j omega C3. So if I take Zx on left side and if I take everything out onto my RHS, so this is nothing but R1 times 1 plus j omega R1 C1. If I simplify this and divide it into real terms and imaginary terms, what I get is R1 by j omega C3 R1 plus R2 C1 by C3. So Zx is nothing but Rx plus 1 by j omega Cx. So here on comparing these two, 1 by Cx is equal to R2 by C3 R1. So Cx is equal to R1 C3 by R2. Here the option is A. Thank you.